tempo as we show you how the warm aircraft can perform. The Red Arrows by the BA System 4T1 was designed as an advanced jet weapons trainer and has been in service in the Royal Air Force since 1976. Very agile and designed. We're about to show you why all of our pilots love to fly. The front nose, the front flying aircraft are strengthened and spread to 1 to 5. People need it after needed flying at the same time. Now, they roll up to start the second half of the display. Get your cameras ready. Don't have time. So let's detonate now. Now descend down to just 100 feet, then closing at 850 miles an hour before the synchro pass. Turning away from us at 60 on 6 times the force of gravity, and everything in their bodies weighs 6 times more normal. So those pilots are working hard to counter those two forces. As they roll out back towards us, they find a cyclone. Inside pilots perform tight, match barrel rolls to the outside of the formation in the rollbacks. Red 1, the rollbacks are complete. They position out to our right, left bow ready to the front for the headlights of the synchro pair. Put up in line astern formation at 60 at 500 miles an hour. Hard to guess what this is, ladies and gentlemen. This is synchro start. On the right now is Red 7, synchro 2, Jonathan and Chris, Lyndon Smith. You can form a tornado GR4 pilot and lots of operation experience flying over Iraq. He's also been a multi-flying instructor in 7 years. Like I said, big hello to the British family and friends student housing and running through here watching here today. Synchro now close and then next to the at 400 miles an hour each, just double roll. over. Now get your cameras ready for the cockpit, ladies and gentlemen. This is the vertical brake. Look left and right again to the synchro pair. This time, red 6 on the right and red 7 on the left. Closing at 800 miles an hour. They're going to cross 3 times in a 360-degree 60 turn. Carousel. Smoke changes back to white. We're reducing that smoke by injecting braking the diesel fuel. The aircraft 400-degree engine exhaust, which causes it to vaporise. Get the red boom outside of that diesel. Now let's go ready to your front with the synchro pair. Red 7 smoke turns blue as he rolls around red 6 in the vortex. Opposition powerful. Duxford. It is an honour to represent our service and our country, and it's a delight to entertain you here in the sunshine. If you'd like to find out more about the team, please type Red Arrows into any search engine where you'll find our homepage with lots of excellent information. For social media fans, we are RAF Red Arrows on Facebook and RAF Red Arrows on Twitter. our Red 8 London Davies. So Dave will be in our 9th formation next Sunday when we do a fly pass to start the Great Wall Run at Newcastle. They're going to do the